All right, today you're going to be doing all your work off a calculator. So you're very excited. That's why the title is Function Values from a Calculator. So before we start this, go to your calculator and we're going to clear all that out. And we're going to go here to the mode and we're going to make sure that we are in degree. If you're not in degree, scroll your cursor down and over and press enter. While we're at it, I'm going to take my float and I'm going to change it to 4. This is going to round everything to the nearest 10,000th spot, which is what we like to do when we are working in trigonometry. So yesterday you learned about the special angles. You learned about 30, 60, 45, like 135, 315. You learned about all the special ones that could have gotten off of the 30, 60, 90 or 45, 45, 90 triangle. But those are special and the rest aren't special. We get the rest simply from using the calculator. The sine of 38. We simply go over here, press sine 38. I know this is hard. You can do it. Oh, there's our answer. 0.6157. The next one's a little different because it's not just degrees. It's degrees and minutes. If you remember, an angle can be broken down into degrees, minutes, seconds. You have degrees, you have minutes, you have seconds. And it's the same thing, just like a clock. There are 60 seconds in a minute, and there are 60 minutes in every degree. And then there's 360 degrees in a full circle. But once again, your calculator can handle all this. You just have to know where the key is. So let's bring out the calculator again. We're going to press cosine 18, and then right here above your apps, if you see the word says angle. So I'm going to hit second function, apps. Look at there. Number 1 is my degree symbol. 12 minutes. Once again, I have to go back into angle. This time I'll pick 2. And now I just press enter. And there's my answer. 0.9500. Secant. Well, secant's a little different. If I look, and I look closely, my sine, my cosine, and my tangent, I don't have a secant button. However, I know that secant is really 1 over the cosine of the angle. So I just have to add a little extra step. If I want to take the secant of 310, I just have to do 1 divided by the cosine of 310. And there's my answer, 1.5557. And the hardest they're going to get is they're going to give you a reciprocal function that goes into degrees, minutes, and seconds. All right, so cotangent, I can handle this. Cotangent, I have to think to myself, is really 1 over tangent. Awesome. Let's bring this calculator back over here. 1 divided by the tangent, 405. All right, I remember where my degree is. My degree is here in angle. 45 minutes. But for some strange reason, when I go back into angle, I don't see any seconds. There's degree as I scroll down, minute. R stands for radius. We're going to talk about this key in a second, and all this other stuff, well, we're not ready to talk about it. The seconds is actually right on your calculator face. It is right here above the plus sign. You see it right there in green? All right, so let's go back here. Now I'm going to have to press green plus sign, and it comes up. And there's my answer. 0.9737. And actually, you know what? That's it for today. I'll handle the degree, minute, second key tomorrow. Enjoy your short lesson.